Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. In today's video, we're going to head to the Chevrolet dealership to see if we can put a deposit down on the C8 Corvette. Oh man, it's so exciting. So I'll see you guys there. Can't forget to top off the fuel. So now we'll continue our journey to the dealership. See you guys at the Chevy dealer. See, they got the new GMC Sierras here. It looks like the ones that the Goon Squads are rebuilding. Check this out. Going in to talk to a sales associate. This is an exciting moment. Let's go, guys. That new Stingray is awesome. Let's go check out this ZR1. Sorry, I thought it was a ZR1. It's actually a Z06, but that thing is sharp. So we're waiting to hear from the Chevy representatives on the 2020 Corvette. He'll be with us in just a moment. Just something kind of
something different.
eye-catching.
I hear it.
I would consider it maybe white,
Yeah.
blue interior, and then maybe red.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I got somewhat bad news. So after speaking to the sales rep, what was explained to me is that first round allocations for the 2020 C8 Corvette it's pretty much over with. And so they only had 10 at this location, and you were able to put your deposit down to get one of those 10, but came too late to the party. But the good news is, after the first rounds is up, they'll be doing a second round allocations, and I may be able to get one then. Fingers crossed. I hope so, because I really want one. Those things are amazing, and I love to see one come to the channel. So enough with all that. Let's go have some fun with this Cummins. All right, guys, so we made it to another undisclosed location, top secret. and we're going to attempt to do some donuts with the truck. This will be the very first time I've ever done donuts in the truck, but let's give it a try. That wasn't bad for a first attempt. Let's try it again from the other angle. All right, guys, for this next one, we're going to see if we can do a big burnout. Here we go. Now that was fun. When life gives you bad news, sometimes you just gotta go do a burnout and a couple of donuts. So now I'm about to go get something to eat because I am starving. See you guys at the restaurant. So finally made it back home. So what happened with the dealer early is I kind of went in there just hoping that I could actually put down the $2,500 deposit on a new 2020 C8 Corvette. Unfortunately, I was unable to do so because when I spoke with the dealer, once again, they explained to me that the first round allocations is over with. The actual period ended about, I believe, last week sometime. And so right now, they only had like 10 allocations available. They said the second round will be available soon, maybe after the first round. I guess people get their actual cars, maybe. Really not sure. The funny thing about it all, well, really not funny, because if I had put down for the first round, I wouldn't think it was funny. But the first round allocations, they don't really know what options they'll be offered, and they really don't know when they'll be getting their cars. But they are guaranteed to get them first. So, I mean, that is cool as well. So I really love to get my hands on one of those 2020 C8 Corvettes. But if I can't, I mean, I'm cool with, I guess, a C6 or a C7 as well. So, I mean, like I said, I would really love the C8, though, because those things look amazing. And we should be able to get some really good performance out of it. So, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think on that matter? Comment down below. Let me know you guys' thoughts. And if you were actually able to put down, I guess, on the first round in your state or in your city, comment that as well, and comment what kind of specs you chose, if you don't mind sharing. Like I said, I really love to have one. I'm really hoping that I do get one, but if not, it's not the end of the world. I mean, we just have to find something else that we can kind of play with. And I mean, that's what we're all about, just, you know, having fun with whatever toys that we do have. So there will be some big things coming to the channel, hopefully in the very near future, regarding the Cummins pickup. So hopefully we can get some more power out of this thing. I'm really hoping so. And also we need to possibly address a brake issue. It's not often that it happens, but every once in a while the ABS will kind of act up on the actual vehicle. It actually, you feel the brake pedal kind of seize up as you're applying braking. And it doesn't do it all the time, just every once in a while. And so I was told that it could potentially be the clips inside of the rear end. So that's something maybe for us to take a look at in the very near future as well. Yeah, we can't really drive a vehicle fast with no brakes. That'd be unfortunate. And look, there's a Corvette driving right by us right there. Nice color to that burnt orange. But yeah, I mean, it'd be kind of difficult to stop it, you know, if we get it up to high speeds and that actually happens. So we'd like to get that taken care of because we want the vehicle to be as safe as possible. So I did indeed just purchase food, and I am ready to eat. So I'm actually about to step inside and take care of that. But I hope you guys like this video. If so, smash the like button. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can catch all the new and great content that I come out with in the future. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.